Hello everyone, Ordinal Gazette here, and I'm going to be showing you today how to make an inscription in under 2 minutes. So first you'll go to satscribe.xyz, which is the platform which I'm using for my inscribing services. You would go up here and connect your Bitcoin wallet, which if you haven't seen it yet, I do have a video on how to make a Unisat wallet. In today's instance, I'm going to be using my Xverse wallet, which I already have connected. I'm going to inscribe now. You can upload it just about any form or file. These are just some of the supported ones. In my instance today, I'm going to be uploading a markdown file, which is basically text-only HTML. I'm going to upload it, and I'd actually like to inscribe it onto a rare sat. So for that, I'm actually going to be choosing, I'll go with a pizza, just for good measures. So we'll go down here, go to upload and pay. I'm going to be entering the address which I will receive my inscription at, which I'll go to my wallet. It's going to be this second address if you're using Xverse. I've copied it. I'm going to submit the payment. And we will send some Bitcoin to this address. Well, this probably is not going to be 2 minutes or less, but that's all right. I'll confirm it. Just make sure the amount is correct, and we're good to go. Just about 2 minutes. But yeah, so that was a bit of a race. But yeah, so basically what will happen is this is going to be the Bitcoin sent to that address. The receive address that I sent will allow for the platform to send me the inscription that I just sent. That gave me a transaction ID. It's being inscribed. So just a little bit of a background on what I actually chose to inscribe. We'll go to Markdown Viewer. And this is cool. This is something that anyone can do. This is a really sort of friendly language or file type to start with. I wanted to do this because Markdown is not really one that's commonly used on Ord.io, which is a inscription explorer. There's not very many Markdown files, which gives me a little bit more visibility. This isn't necessarily a CV, but this is a sort of an advertisement for my Twitter and for my blog. So I want it to get the maximum view that I can possibly receive. And I actually put this nice little ASCII art of my Twitter PFP. And then this will actually link to my YouTube video where this video will upload. This is being made in real time. And I did actually make this on July 8th. It just took a while to get Markdown support on satscribe. And yeah, it's all here. And I'm looking forward to actually getting my inscription. It's very exciting. It took me less than 2 minutes. But anyway, if you've got any questions or any comments, if you have any questions about satscribe, I love using them. One of the other things that I didn't mention is that if you own a pizza artifact and you were to connect your Unisat wallet with a pizza artifact in it, you get a 25% discount on all of your inscriptions, bulk, services and sats. I didn't really see the sense in it. It would have been a 25-cent saving and some change on the service. That's why I chose not to do it. Unfortunately, my Pizza Artifact's not in my Unisat wallet, so it would have cost me more to transfer it from my Xverse to my Unisat than it would have to just eat the loss and not, get a discount. So I'm not butthurt about, not being able to save a couple dollars. But that is something that's worth mentioning, because if you're inscribing on something like an uncommon, which is $650, that's a huge savings, especially with multiple collections, multiple inscriptions, which now they support. This platform is wonderful, and they allow for bulk inscriptions as of today. So very excited. We'll see where my inscription goes, and be on the lookout on Ord.io for my markdown file.